Designers, let's create a text animation in After Effects. First, use the text tool to write your desired text and align it vertically and horizontally in the composition. Next, select the text layer and use the rectangle tool to draw a mask over the first letter, zooming in for better visibility. Go to the Mask 1 properties and click the stopwatch next to Mask Path to set a keyframe. Move forward a few frames, to about the 1-second mark, and use the right arrow key to move the mask to the last letter of your text. Preview the animation to ensure the mask animates from the first letter to the last. Duplicate the text layer by pressing Ctrl-D on your keyboard. Go to the duplicated layer's Mask 1 properties and click the inverted option. Apply a Gaussian blur from the Effects and Presets menu. Increase the blurriness level, and untick the Repeat Edge Pixels option to make the text blur. Preview the animation again. Next, use the pen tool to draw a shape, zooming in on the composition for accuracy. Duplicate this shape layer by pressing Ctrl-D. Right-click the duplicated shape layer, go to Transform, and select Flip Vertical. Press U on the keyboard to see the keyframes, then select both shape layers, press P for position, and click the stopwatch next to position. Move to the second frame and adjust the X position of the shape layers to match the mask keyframe from earlier, moving all the way to the last letter. Preview the animation to ensure the shapes animate correctly. Press U to see all the keyframes, select them all, and press F9 to ease them. Go to the graph editor and adjust the graph as shown in the video. Preview the animation one last time. If you found this tutorial helpful, comment, and subscribe to Ace Designs for more tutorials like this.